Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by selecting the audio region and enabling flex. Choose a flex mode that suits material, monophonic for vocals, slicing for drums, because each preserves transients differently. Once done, run detect transients or adjust sensitivity so logic marks hits precisely. This lets Quantize snap to musical events rather than noise. Make sure your grid and tempo are correct, since Quantize uses them for timing. If tempo varies, use Smart Tempo first to align performance to project tempo before proceeding. Now apply a Quantize value from the region inspector. Pick 1/16, 1/8, or triplet depending on groove, because exact grid choice defines where notes land. After applying, reduce strength or add fall-off to retain natural timing. 100% can sound robotic, so start at 50% and adjust. Use swing to reintroduce groove. Once you hear artifacts, switch flex modes or reduce Quantize strength. Make short looped previews to compare before and after. This keeps edits musical while you refine settings. To finish, commit your edits. Bounce in place or export to make quantized audio permanent, and save a duplicate if you want an original backup. If a few hits still feel off, manually drag transient markers or split and nudge regions. This surgical approach fixes outliers without requantizing everything. If timing warps or pops appear, run Smart Tempo for tempo maps or switch to a simpler flex mode. Slicing often avoids artifacts. One tip, toggle flex off and on to refresh processing when things glitch.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.